This is the video guide that will help you to remove the ransomware called D7k. D7k is the ransomware that may damage the files by means of encrypting them. My video, of course, is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Now, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this D7k ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and then appends this D7k extension to the file names. Also, it drops this ransom note titled as simply note.txt, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But paying the ransom is surely not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing without getting the data restored. So don't pay that ransom, don't waste the money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. So after the anti-malware database by Combo Cleaner has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. You will see the summary of the threats at the end of scanning. You will be able to know the exact locations of threats. I need to mention that Combo Cleaner's anti-ransomware feature does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it is not able to decrypt files that are encrypted by this ransomware in the first place. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Even though some threats can be removed manually, we recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best way to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from being damaged in the future.